So what's up, guys? We made ourselves to the Great Lakes Museum. You guys see this boat behind me? We're gonna be on this boat. It's a museum and it looks fire. I haven't been on a boat since, what, that cruise? We up here, y'all. Look at this. Where did it begin? All right. You guys see this? This is so dope. Ooh, I'll be so mad if I drop something down there. Let me hold on to this camera tight. If how the heck would you get back up? This is like, oh my God, this is so big. It's a little like the Hewlett unloader. Definitely a cargo ship, it looks like. Josie, Josephine, I like that echo. Hello. You'll see. Exactly, see? You see what I'm talking about? Oh wow. We got an old typewriter in there. Oh, this is an old boat. Y'all see this? Amazing. Steering gear. Ahoy, matey! Full steam ahead. Yo, yes, yeah, pull it down, then we should probably all die. I'm a certified diver now. Like, hire me, both reasons from VoLife, both subs.
No, both swims.
Both swims.